Hey guys, it's Katie and this is My Life with Veds. It's been a very exhausting few weeks and I've taken a couple weeks off of videos and I'm having some recharge time. But I figured that I would take you guys with me today on my recharge day. Kind of a laid back video, but I'm going on a hike right now, which is not very strenuous because it's Florida and everything is flat. So it's more of like a nature walk. I figured I would take you with me on my nature walk as part of my recharge day. So here we go. I hope you're ready for some nature. I personally really like trying to find like bugs and things. I find that very interesting. So who knows? Maybe we'll find something and maybe we won't. Hopefully it will be relaxing and re-energizing. Hope you guys are staying well and let's go. This is Florida. Flat Florida. Nature. I love nature. Here comes the sun. Here it is. Sunshine. Very pretty. Here we go. So steep. Such a hill. I made it. I made it. Nice Florida hill. So far this has been really refreshing and just what I needed. Some sunshine and fresh air and getting out of my house. So here we are. Oh, there's a cool spider web over there. Let's see if we can see it. There are actually a couple of them here. Usually spiders are very hard to capture on this camera. One of the things that I really miss is being able to travel to Washington, which is quite a far way away from Florida. So it's not like I can just go for a day or something like that. But I miss all the waterfalls and stuff out there and the big hills and mountains and beautiful trees. So I decided I'm just gonna pretend this tree in front of me is a waterfall and you can pretend with me for a second. Okay, so the waterfall starts up here. I don't know where the waterfall comes from. I guess it comes from up there in the sky. But it's coming down the tree and then it splits over here and comes and floods the entire walkway. That's my imaginary waterfall. Okay, now we've come full circle. We're done with our nature walk. I hope you enjoyed the lizard and the spider webs and the bees and the butterflies. I think that was about a 3.5 mile walk. Pretty mostly flat except for those couple of hills. I also hope that you enjoyed my imaginary waterfall. I hope you are enjoying nature too, or doing something that relaxes you or re-energizes you. It's been a really like roller coaster year. I keep calling it the Corona coaster, but I feel like it belittles it in some way. It's been a really hard year for a lot of people. Hope y'all are staying well, and I think my next stop is going to be Goodwill to clean out all this stuff in the back of my truck here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.